In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you're trying to send a voice message to someone, and for some reason, it's not picking up your voice or any voice or audio in the background whatsoever. This works exactly the same whether you're on iPhone, Android, or Samsung. So all you want to do is go over to your settings. From here, it's going to look something like this. And all you want to do is scroll all the way down until you see apps. Go ahead and click on that. Then just go and scroll to WhatsApp. But if you have too many apps like I do, what you can also do is just go to the search and then just type in WhatsApp like so, and then click on WhatsApp. It's going to show all the app permissions. And what you want to do is basically make sure that microphone is enabled. If it's enabled, that's the only way it's actually, going to send and it's going to be working. So if I went to, record my voice right now, it's now properly working and now I can send a voice note if I want. But again, you have to have your microphone enabled in the permissions, and the exact same thing goes for if you're on Android or Samsung as well. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe and check out our other videos that we've been posting on the channel.